Oh, it's crooked. Okay. Cool. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a recreation look of this picture of Demie from her new MAC collaboration campaign. Unfortunately, I can't buy from MAC because they aren't cruelty free, because they sell their products in China, but I loved all of the makeup looks that she had done for this campaign, and this colorful one was my favorite look. When I saw this, I immediately wanted to recreate it because I haven't done a colorful look in a while, and I just loved the combination of the colors and it just blended so beautifully together. Firstly, I just want to say today is Friday the 13th of March and my school is closed for today. I got an email last night, and then I get an email today that my school is now closed for the next 2 weeks because of the coronavirus. I just want to say I hope everyone is staying safe and precautious at home and just in their day-to-day lives, washing their hands, not touching their face. We want to keep transmission low. So I am stuck at home for the next 2 weeks. School is still going to be going on. I just don't know how they're going to administer the classes. We'll see. We'll wait for my professors to email me. It is stressing me out, but yeah, I just can't wait for the semester to be done. It's just a crazy time we're living in, and yeah. This is gonna be a voiceover, and I also finished the Mindy project. I was very, very pleased with how the show ended. I loved it. It was so funny. Recommend it. And now I am starting to watch Community, and I prefer the Mindy project over Community so far, but Community is still pretty good. Also, I want to show you my nails. My boyfriend painted my nails. He did a pretty good job. Also, my boyfriend started a gaming channel, so I will have his channel linked down below if you're interested in gaming videos. It'll be the first link in my description box, so do go check it out, like and subscribe. I'm very proud of him for uploading his first video, and yeah, I'm just super happy for him. I wanted to try for the first time this Anastasia eye primer. I believe it's a white base. And Morgan was told that this works amazing, especially for colorful eyeshadow looks. I'm just going to, whoa, okay. I've put too much on, I see. Holy shit. Whoa. Okay, so I only need one drop. Okay, I'm gonna blend this in with a sponge, and then I'll come back, start the voiceover, and do the eyeshadow look. So first I'm gonna take my ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this neutral brown shade to apply into my crease as my first transition shade. And I'm just blending away and extending it out as usual a bit, and applying some on my lower lash line as well and connecting it to my upper lid. Next, I'm going to take the pink shade in this palette and apply this directly into my crease as well. And I'm going to also apply this on my lower lash line as well and connect it with the shadow above. So I looked back at the reference picture and it was a lot more pink and a lot more extended out. So I'm deepening the outer corner of my eyes and further dragging out the shadow. Next, I'm taking my James Charles palette with Morphe, and I'm taking this dark purple shade and applying it at my outer corner, and I'm just panning it on with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush afterwards. But I continue to build this color up because I wanted it to be really deep. I'm going to add some more later after I do my cut crease, but yeah, just keeping that at the lower outer corner. Now I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow base and I'm going to cut my crease. This is a white eyeshadow base. Even though it's eyeshadow base, I like to use this to cut my crease because it's white and it'll make the shadow I place over super pigmented. And now I'm just taking my my CoverGirl setting powder, and I'm just setting the lids. And now I'm going to take the green from the James Charles palette and apply this in the center of my lid with a flat shader brush. And I wanted the green to be lighter, so I'm taking my Urban Decay Electric palette and I'm taking the lime green shade in this palette and placing that over the green to lighten it. And I really liked how this color looked better. Now I'm going back in with the pink shade from the ColourPop palette and I'm just blending the green with the pink, making sure it looks seamless. And I'm going back with the purple shade and applying some more as some of it got lost with the blending. And again, just patting it because I want the purple to be really dark. And then further blending that. And now I'm taking the yellow shade from the James Charles palette and applying this in my inner lid and the inner corner as well. I really like applying color in the inner corner. I just think it looks so cool. And I'm going to build this up. And also this color was a bit darker than what I wanted. So I'm going in with the light pale yellow shade in the palette and placing that over top, and as you can see it lightened it a lot and I really liked how this yellow looked. And then I'm just blending everything with the rest of the green shadow. Now I'm taking my Eyeshadow Black Magic liquid liner, but I'm firstly just curling my lashes because when I do liner I like to curl my lashes before because some liner can transfer onto the eyelash curler. So I'm doing just a regular winged liner, but unfortunately, my liner is drying out and it's one of my faves. So I'm taking my Sex Kitten liner from Tarte and doing the rest of my liner. And now I've just done my mascara off camera on my upper lashes, and now I'm applying concealer. This is my Juice Beauty concealer, and it's really drying out. This concealer, I need to get a new concealer. This is my only concealer I have. And yeah, I'm hoping to try the Bare Minerals Cream Concealer, pot concealer, because I prefer pot concealers. So yeah, I'm just applying this in all my normal spots and then blending out my huge foundation brush. Or maybe this is a powder brush. I think it's a buffing brush though. But yeah, this is from Tarte. And it was so dry that I had to use my wet sponge to blend out the rest of it, especially underneath, right beneath the shadow, because I didn't want to blend too hard and blend anything away. And I'm going in with the purple shade and lining my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take, we're still blending the lower lash line with purple. I'm going to take the pink shade from the ColourPop palette and blend this on my lower lash line as well. And I'm not used to having a lot of color around my whole eye. And this was brought, well, I guess because it was color, it looked like it was brought down a lot. And I was like, whoa, I need to put mascara on because I did not like the way I looked. So I'm taking my NYX white liner pencil and lining my waterline. So I've just done my eyebrows, my mascara, and I've baked. And now I'm wiping away the bake. And now I'm going to take my Gigi Gorgeous contour brush. I really love this brush. And I'm going to contour my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And I'm going to use the 2 bronzer shades. I'm trying to finish this palette because it takes up some space in my... It takes a lot of space in my makeup collection, and I'm just trying to finish products. If I see a product's nearly done, I'm going to use it now until it's done. So, yeah, just contouring all the regular spots and applying a lot at my temples as usual. I was watching Community while I was doing my makeup. So, yeah, contouring the face. I did my nose and my lower lash line as well, and I am just applying some brightening powder using the one in the Anastasia palette and my Kylie You're Perfect Perfecting Powder. Now I'm going with this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Party Dress. It's a really nice coral shade, and I am applying this upwards on my cheeks, as Alexa, she didn't have really much on the apples of her cheeks. I'm taking my Belle Blush collab with ColourPop. I just like to add some dimension in my blush, so I'm just applying that to just brighten it a bit. And now I'm taking my Sugar Pill highlighter in Champagne Champion and just applying highlight in the normal areas. My cheekbones, my nose, Cupid's bow, and on my brow bone as well. I'm going to do that after, I guess. I am just setting my eyebrows with my Essence Brow Gel. This is almost done. I need to get a new brow gel soon. Oh, there I am. Okay, highlighting my brow bone, essential. And now I'm using my itty bitty Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Kylie. And I'm using the Kylie lip gloss in So Cute. These glosses, I really like them. They're just really thick, so I don't wear them often, and I prefer other glosses, but the color is really, really nice. And I'm going back in with the lip liner to further define. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. lip gloss in Peach Bellini because I just wanted it to be a bit more glossy, just in the center. And now I'm setting my face with my Mary Badescu setting spray, the lavender one. Just applying a few spritz. I saw Morphe came out with a new matte continuous setting spray, so I really want to try that one out. And now I'm applying just some outer corner lashes so my eyes look more cat eye. And this is the finished look. So this is the completed, recreated Alexa Demie look. I feel I did a pretty good job. I feel like, honestly, Alexa Demie could rock any makeup look. She is just so poised and confident all the time. I haven't worn color in so long. I absolutely love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will also have Alexa Demie's Instagram linked down below. She is in the HBO show Euphoria. They just started filming season 2, I saw, and yeah, if you didn't see season 1, definitely watch it. It is such a good show. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see future videos of mine. Follow my socials down below if you'd like. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.